Hi, welcome along, and in today's video I've got an absolute classic from the mid-90s. This is known as Disco 2000 by the great Pulp. So if this is what you're up for, go grab your guitar and I'll meet you back here in 3, 2, 1. Let me show you how that's done. So we've got two chords that take over the intro and the verses, and they are F major bar chords and B flat as a bar chord. And the trickery all happens with our little finger going on and off. In the F position, we're going to be on and off on the 3rd fret of the G string. But first off, let's get you acquainted with the down up strum pattern that we're going to be using. So strum pattern is going to be down up down, up down up down, down up down, up down up down. So we've got down up down, 4 ups, and then a down up down. So it's going to be a down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, so that's the strum pattern. Then we're going to be in an F chord, and we're going to be, as I said earlier, we're going to be going F chord. Then we're going to lift our little finger away, and we're going to go on the 3rd fret of the G string, and then back to an F chord again. Okay, so F chord, 3rd fret of the G string, and then back to the F chord again. So it's going to be a case of off, on, off. Got it? Off, on, off. So your down, up, down will be off, on, off. When I say on, I mean a little finger on the 3rd fret of the G string. When I say off, I mean return your finger back to its position to do the F chord. Okay, so we've got off, on, off. Off, 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 off. Okay, so it's really slowly for you. Off, off, off. Then we've got 5 offs, so 5 plays of a normal F chord. Off, 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 off. Okay, so off. So we're going to be up to the camera, off, on, off, 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 on, off. Okay, really close up. Trying to get the best angle for you to see. So off, on, off, 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 on, off. Okay, there we go. So. Got stuck. Then we're going to slide up to the B flat for the next bit, which is same shape, slid up to the 6th position. So same thing, only this time we're going to be putting our little finger off on off the 8th fret of the G string. Okay, so the 8th fret. Let's bring that up to the camera for you to see. So we're going to be off, on, off, 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 on, off. Okay, so that's going to look like this. Now what you can do as a little cheat, rather than bringing your little finger, all the way off and all the way down, you can just slightly lower your little finger down onto it. So let me show you how that's done. We're just going to just rock your finger down to get that 3rd fret of the G string, and then go back up. Got it? And then same thing for the B flat. So let me show you how that would work. doing, we're just dropping our little finger down and back up. Right, so that's how we're going to do the intro and the verses. Next along, we've got the pre-chorus, which is the following chords. So it starts off, it's only 2 chords for the pre-chorus, 8 bars of C minor, and then 2 bars of our original starting chord, which was F. So C minor, let me show you a C minor. We're going to slide that F chord we had up to the 3rd fret, and then we're going to bring our fingers down a string each. Okay, so it's the 2nd, 3rd and 4th fingers, bring them down a string. So let me show you that chord. So what I just said, from the F up to a G and bring them down, that's the chord we want. C minor, right? Okay, so that's going to sound like this. It's just a light up and down strum for this, to, you know, this is the do you recall your house was very small bit. Your house was very small. That bit with wood chip on that bit. 8 bars. Like that, and then back to the F. Just up and down, and then we're ready for the chorus. Chorus is B flat, 2 bars of D minor, 2 bars of G minor, a C minor and an F. Let me show you how that's done. So first off, we've got a B flat. So that's, you know, B flat, we did that earlier. Then we're going to slide down to the 5th position. So that's down a half step, a semitone, to the 5th fret, and bring our fingers down a string each. So that's going to be a D minor. Okay. Then we're going to slide again down to the 3rd fret. This time we're going to bring our fingers back up and take our 2nd finger away. Let me show you that up to the camera. There we go. That is a G minor. Okay. And then we're going to just drop our fingers down. We've done a C minor earlier in the pre-chorus, as you remember. There's C minor, and then to an F. So we got a B flat, 2, 3, then we got D minor, 6, 7, 8. Then we've got G minor, then C minor and F. So we've got B flat. We're just going to go up and down strums with this. So B flat, then D minor, G minor, C minor, and then F. Back to B flat, D minor, G minor, C minor, and then F, and then back to the verse. So there we have it, Disco 2000 by Pulp. How did you get along? Let me know down in the comments section below, along with any other song suggestions you may have for songs you'd like me to show you how to play in future videos. If you've liked today's video, please can you click like and subscribe, as it helps me grow the channel. A big thank you to everyone who's liked and subscribed already. You're a great help, guys. Thank you very much. And I will see you back here in another video. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.